Hey! Thank you, get out! Like, D&D, we get over there.
Hey guys, welcome to this Trick is Sick this week. Got Dave Palmer here. Burning some midnight oil. Not really digging being up here. Having to do my my usual electrical job. So, trust me, I've been doing this a long time. So, you do have to burn some midnight oil to get to where I'm at. But, just want to let you guys know that this episode we've got some tips and tricks. I got my my paint and body guy, Sam Flute. He's been with us here for a little bit, and he's going to show you some tips and tricks with straightening body work out. And we're doing a truck for a guy, a veterinarian down in Poto, Oklahoma. So trying to get him all fixed up. We'll keep you posted on the build, but he's going to give you some tips and tricks with the body work and whatnot. And we got our giveaway, which right here, I've got our giveaway. You guys have been waiting to hear about this. This is, it's got the intercooler down here, the new intercooler. Got all the tubing and whatnot. Got 90s. We've got 45s. We got straight pieces of pipe. I don't know what's all in here. There's all kinds of stuff. It's one big kit. I don't know. I think this may be, I think this may be twin turbo. I don't know, but here's a bunch of the fittings, some JDM fittings and whatnot, all nice blue. Everything's brand new. And guys, we're going to give this away to you guys. So you guys, turbo guys, or guys wanting to get into turboing, this is definitely a good starter kit. Should get you there to, you know, you can buy you a few little turbos and at least get some of the, looks like the pipe work and whatnot. So what we're going to do is I'm going to post right here on the front in lettering, probably read it right here above me, that how you're going to be eligible. This one's going to be a lot quicker, a lot easier. But basically, you're going to watch this video and two more, 3 times a charm. We're going to see who watches the next 3 videos all the way through. We're going to see who posts a comment. And we're going to make sure that you're a subscriber. It's only 3 things. It's the only 3 requirements that we have every time for our free giveaways. And honestly, guys, there's people that have posted on previous giveaways. They're not people we know. Some of them are. They do get lucky. But just to let you guys know, these, honestly, you have a good chance at getting something for free. So we're just trying to help out our local racers, the street boys, the strip guys. We will have some circle track stuff too. But if you guys have ever wanted to play with a turbo setup or anything, like I said, this would be a good starter kit. Or you guys can take it home, help somebody out. But remember, you must be a subscriber. You must make a comment, and you have to watch the next 3 videos. So this video, the next one, and then the next one. So we're just going to do 3, and then we're going to go ahead and have a quick giveaway, and then we'll let you guys know on the next giveaway. So what we're going to try to do is, we're going to try our best once a month to try to give away something. So that way we can speed it up. You guys, it'll get you guys more involved, get everybody more excited. So thanks to David over there at Pete's Machine Shop, J&H Tire, Summit Racing, Cheetah Race Engine Development, Ampco Electric here is one of the sponsors, obviously, which we got heat, air, and electrical here. And to each and every subscriber, we do appreciate you guys. So thank you again. And you guys enjoy the tips and tricks with the body work. I know we've had some other paint job stuff, but Sam hopefully will get you helped out. And we look forward to seeing who all post comments, and good luck with whoever wins the next thing. So I'm going to get back to it. Later, guys.
Oh my God. Holy. Ooh, I'm dizzy now. Oh my God. Sit there for a minute. Sit there for a
It's a good morning at the Palmer Power. What we have today is this door right here. It's off of a 49 Ford. It was in pretty bad shape. The skin on the outside, it was actually okay. We thought the doors was okay, but when we got to the inside where the water was holding, completely rotted out the bottom. So what we're going to do today is replace this whole corner right here, all throughout here, get all the damaged metal out, and save a butt up to where the best metal is, to where it gets to where it has no indentions or rust left at all. Corners will be a little difficult, but since they're so square, it won't be too hard. Our main goal is we're gonna try to get that straight. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it has a major bow in it, and that has to be straight across. So we will be back, and we're back. Today, to do this repair, you will need a welder and these necessities: body hammers, body dollies, paint sticks for marking, measuring, marker. This is a body mini saw. It's just like a miniature sawzall, basically. You got your grinder, disc, easy, 3-inch, and then cut off wheel, mini 3-inch cut off wheels. That is all I will need today, and some safety glasses and gloves will be good. We'll be back. So this is what we started with. We had some corners that were pretty bad, kind of like this one. It broke away. It was looking pretty bad. And this is the after. Got fresh metal all the way through, patched. No more rust. Let me flip them over and I'll show you the other side. And this is what we started with. Had some bad stuff going on. Holes on both sides of the hinges. Holes in all corners. I roughed up a pretty good corner. And this is where we got. Got it replaced. Got a nice road lip. No more rust, patched all the way through. Got everything back to the way it was. This filler right here is just to cover up welds and any deep spots that were made in the midst of making this and modifying. But yeah, that's it. To get back with you after primer.
Dropping the hammer. No, you're not. And we say bye-bye.
What's up, guys? Dave Palmer here with This Trick is Sick this week. Hey, I guess hardcore mechanic to the for the most. Anyways, wanted to bring to you guys a little bit of a deal that we got going on here. I got an LS based engine in this Chevelle. My recommendations on how to get your dual carb setup linkage and even down to your pedal to the hat. So to get everything hooked up on these, you guys that are running either blowers, superchargers, some type of tonal ram. If you got a single carb setup, it's a little easier. Twin carb setup, and there's many different ways that you can do this. So right here's the car, and this is the old Punisher car. This is actually my car. I've got it in here today to try to get her tricked out, try to get her done, and trying to finish this car up. I've actually been building this car for well over 10 years, so I think everybody's had their hand in on it. We've had a lot of help, a lot of people that have helped me work on it and whatnot. But I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to get these dual carb hat setups on here. And if you guys got any questions about LS base style engine setup for a car, just let me know. So, but let me get to it. All right, later, guys. All right, what did you guys think of that? Sam there tried to really help us out. You got to see my old car Punisher, got to check it out a little bit, and just wanted you guys to know to please do not forget the free giveaway. We got the turbo kit that's got all the fittings, the bushings and stuff for a good starter kit. Anything that is extreme, super high horsepower, obviously you're going to use a welded kit, but this one you clamp together, it'll be good. 500 to 800 horse, I think, or something. Maybe even be able to do more than that if you set it up on a twin turbo setup. So, and depending on the cubic inches. So, anyways, thank you to all my sponsors. Thank you to the subscribers. And again, please tune in next week whenever we have our next video and our next tip and tricks. Sorry, guys. All right, it's late. I got to get home. Later.
It's no fucking wonder when the power goes out, it takes fucking hours for it to come back on. Got Senior Sparky and the cross-wired cousin out here fucking dancing instead of turning the electric back on.